Hey everybody, thought I'd come back with another meme review. This one was sent to me by Lucas with a K. It's a pretty good meme. I gotta be honest with you. It hits all the hot spots for me. You've got history, you've got making fun of someone laying on the couch, so it's all good. Let's take a look at it quickly. At the top, we have how my grandfather saved the world. Look at this. Marines getting off of a Higgins landing craft during World War II. Higgins landing crafts, by the way, manufactured in New Orleans, Louisiana. There's actually a museum dedicated to the Higgins landing craft, believe it or not. I hope to make it there one day. Anyway, so you've got that, and then on the bottom, you have a slob laying there eating potato chips and staining his shirt. How I saved the world. So, it is kind of funny that you have people complaining about laying on a couch and, 75 years ago, kids not much older than you, maybe 3 years older than you, were hitting the beaches in the Pacific. So hits all the hot spots. I'm going to give it, on the dope scale, I'm going to give it a 9.3. The guy that got laying on the couch is perfect. On the lit scale, because of the top, that gets a 10, no doubt. It gets 2 bonus points for being fat. And then here's one of my least favorite categories, how fire is it? I'll give it 2 thumbs up for fire. Have a great day.